Alright guys, Grass Daddy here. Just finished mowing the backyard with the Honda at 2 inches. Looking pretty good. Now about a month ago, Lawn Serv sent me 2 boxes. The first box I already used up. The second box is right here. So let's check out what's in here. This is the organic box. It's got another soil test kit. It's got mosquito and tick control, which I'm excited about. Organic fish and seaweed fertilizer, a sprayer to spray it, and boom, instructions. Very cool. Now, what I really like about this is there's a lot of people who ask me about organic options. They're out there, but I don't know what's good, honestly. There's certain things that I have tried, but there's so many options out there. So what I like is being able to just say, hey guys, send me what I need to put down every month. And what I really like is mosquito and tick control. Now you might think, oh well, you don't really got much going on back here. Why are you worried about mosquitoes and ticks? Well, I got Lyme disease, and I don't remember doing anything other than mowing my lawn, stuff like that. So I'm a little bit paranoid now. I'm back on the Lyme disease medication as of 2 days ago, which is terrible. So I really recommend putting something down for ticks, especially if you're in wooded areas. I think with all the bushes, animals do go through there, and so ticks are everywhere now these days. So I'm gonna apply this. I'm not gonna do this just yet. I'll have to do another video for that because I think it's still been it's not long enough for where I need more fertilizer. The yard is already growing faster than I can right now from the spring flush, but this will be good, especially come summertime. I mean, it is summer now, but you know, using a more natural fertilizer that's not gonna go crazy. So we'll do that later. But another thing I really like that Lawn Serv does, these instructions are in addition to anything else that they come with, and so it really dumbs it down for you. So if you're a beginner, this will definitely help you. And I just like, boom, comes in a box, everything you need. Then you can email them, contact us. They ask you to email them if you have a problem in your lawn. So if you're like, oh, something over here is dead, you can take a picture of it, email them, and they can help you through it. Or, hey, that area is looking kind of funky. So it's pretty cool. It takes the guesswork out of the lawn care, but still lets you actually do it. So that's cool. All right, let's put this stuff away. Keep the bottle I'm gonna spray, and go to town and get those mosquitoes under control. Now, the ingredients in this, it's all like oils, so it might smell really good. I'm hoping it does. Ooh, gets rid of gnats. We've got gnats around here. So let's get this hooked up. So Lawn Serv has 3 options. They have the traditional option where the products are synthetic. They've got some natural stuff, usually granular, some liquid, that type of thing. It's the more traditional way that people would do their lawn care. Then there's the mostly natural way, which most things are all natural. It's gentler on your lawn. It's usually liquid, some granular, but it does include some of the synthetic weed control. And then there's all natural, which is all the safer stuff, no synthetics. It's gentle on your lawn. But you're not going to get the weed control that you get with the traditional. So I personally, on my own lawn, do a more mostly natural. It's like an in-between. I like to use natural stuff when I can, but I'm not afraid to use the synthetic. So that's personally what I go with. But I like that they give you the option, and then monthly they send you the products that you should be putting down, so you don't have to think about it. You get to do it, you get to enjoy it, but you don't have to guess about it. You don't have to be afraid that you're putting it wrong down, or you don't have to remember to buy the products because they go out of season so quick.
shelves will start to, already start to move on to Christmas, and then you're trying to find that product you wanted to apply. So it's a great option for beginners who are starting to get in. They want to take over their lawn care, but they don't know what to get. So pretty cool. I really like this.
All right, there we go. It's like most hose end sprayers. It's got a water and an on, but this is organic stuff, so you don't have to worry too much. Not like the pure chemicals. I'll still wash up after, just because even if it's organic, your skin can react. You can be allergic to natural things. So no matter what, if I put down anything on the lawn, I like to wash up after. But that's how easy it was. And it smells pretty good. I'm not sure exactly what the smells are that I'm smelling, but it does smell good, and I'm already feeling better knowing there's going to be less mosquitoes and ticks and stuff back here. So thank you to Lawn Serv. Honestly, I think it's such a great idea for the beginners out there. You know who you are. Obviously when you get more advanced, you're going to want to pick your own products and all that. But, if you just want to put it down and not worry about thinking when you have to buy stuff, all that stuff, it's a great option, and you get the help you need. So, pretty cool. Two inches. And you can see the areas that I seeded. Almost can't tell the difference now. Pretty awesome.
If you like my videos, you'll love my website, grassdaddy.net. The Lawn Care Planner tool will download the local weather reports every morning and build a lawn care plan catered to your area. The Lawn Care Journal allows you to keep track of what you put down, when you put it down, so there's no more guessing or over or under applying any products. We also have a Lawn of the Week contest. Every week a winner gets a Grass Daddy t-shirt. And last but not least, there are application calculators and articles to help you identify and tackle problems in the lawn. So check it out, it's completely free. It's grassdaddy.net.